What's going on, guys? So, what's going on, guys? Roy from Vintage Axe Works doing the fucking YouTube thing. I'm gonna start, restart, whatever, my YouTube channel. So, couple things. I'm not a YouTube guy. That being said, no idea what I'm doing. So, hopefully, you'll be entertained by this idiot. Here's what you can expect. There's not gonna be freaking, I don't know, it doesn't matter. So look for short, concise stuff about me, what's going on in and out of the shop. Let's go. All right, pro tip. This was an open-end wrench that I found here at the shop. It might be good, might be bad, I don't know, I don't care. Cut the ends off, take them to the grinder, flatten them out, and comes a little makeshift drift. Say it ain't so! Permabond! This thing's a pain in the ass to take off, and it stinks really freaking bad. All right, well, that really sucked. You might be wondering what I do with the handles. I burn those bitches. So I got all the handles busted out of these Tommies, and I just wanted to show you all those. And then I did find one more. Working on some carvers. The Elder Anvil sent me these, and I went ahead and ground in cutting edges. Started at 80 grit, went up to 600, and now I'm going to strop them with that, and it's going to be banging. So now it's time to test. I'm Mr. fucking Face. All right, so there you go. Day in the life at Vintage Axe Works here in Warsaw, Kentucky. Did a bunch of shit with axes, took pictures of that flint edge, posted them on Instagram, shipped it out, busted all those freaking handles out of the eye, hung those all up, and I worked on the carvers. I'm calling it a day. Thanks for hanging with me. Catch you tomorrow. You ready, Joey? Let's go.